So this video is probably, I think this is last year. This might be even in the spring. Last spring. So I've been just kind of going through my old videos. A lot of them, they were posted before, so you might have seen them, and I had to pull them when I got in trouble. So I'm just kind of reposting some of them, remaking, touching up, yada yada. My skills have improved a tiny bit.
So I notice a few people still disapprove of the word cunt, and this saddens me to the bottom of my heart.
Gary, where is Jessica? Isn't today take your daughter to work day?
No one actually does that.
We're unspottable. What are you gonna do about it? Oh, I'm totally spotted on this trailer. Holy shit, that's black. What logbook? I gotta go spot something. Oh fuck, I broke it. Holy shit, that's heavy, but I got this. I hope Blaine didn't see that. Yeah, it's supposed to do that. It's doing a burn. Spotswell is my middle name. I got a permit. Matter of fact, I got two. It's so heavy. Do you have something that needs spotted? Today we're going out to the North Fork Road to pick up a Compass Tri service rig. And we're going to bring it back into Rocky. Supposedly, it's snowing out there, so it's going to be an adventure for me. It's looking pretty sketchy here once we hit the gravel, so like any good Samaritan should do, I'm going to chain up so I don't fuck around too much here and slide into the ditch like a noob. It took me 4 tries to get her out there, but we got her done without having an incident. Alright, we're just gonna roll up here. There's a bit of a hill coming up around this corner. I know it doesn't look like much, but when you're pulling a service rig on 48 wheels, it can turn into a nightmare. So we're just gonna come up here around the corner and take off the tire chains just before we hit the pavement, just to be sure. Personally, I would have just backed up in the pickup. But look, a super jab, and here he comes! We all need our exercise. So here we are at the Rocky Co-op. We're just going to unload this service rig here, and he's going to drive back to Red Deer. Super gravy for us wheeler hands. It's just short distance in and out. Usually all the fingers that come off the main secondaries are all banned, but the main highway in and out and around are not banned, so we don't always have to pull them all the way back to town. Try to get some backwards views here of what it's like trying to pull these things around the city, but unfortunately my camera doesn't have a good enough view from my cell phone.
Come get some. Some of the things said in this video are not typically views of, per se, road train or for transportation. Only just views of most of the workers across Alberta. Get NDP out of here. Vote today. And we all agree, fuck NDP. NDP ruined my life. A little bit. Took my job away after 11 years. Took my pride and joy. My C500.